And what this system does is it cleans up all the tons of dirt that your cooling tower is ingesting. And it also reduces surface tension of the water, so you get better thermal transfer, you take away more heat, everything runs more efficient. Saves a lot of energy, saves a lot of water, saves a lot of maintenance, and it really helps out the chemical company.
The ElectroCell process of continuous microcleansing and water flow enhancement is unlike any other product on the market today. Regardless of size, all ElectroCell skids utilize 3 patented technologies, working synergistically to achieve maximum water enhancement results. Let's take a schematic look at how it works. Phase 1 of the 3-step treatment process is the application of alternating positive and negative electrical charges to the suspended particles using a low-voltage DC ionizer. This makes the oppositely charged suspended particles attract to each other and, as a result, grow in size and weight. Phase 2 is the static mixer debris removal process. The smaller suspended particles have now grown larger to a critical mass, causing them to precipitate into static mixers by gravity. These coagulated solids precipitate through a steel mesh media to the bottom of the static mixer vessels and are later purged to drain during regular system bleed cycles. Phase 3. High voltage positive electrode in a dielectric insulator that emits a static field. This process separates total dissolved solids and reduces water surface tension. Drag and laminar boundaries are held at a minimum throughout the loop, thereby preventing and removing scale and reducing the need for chiller tube punching. The ElectroCell system's touchscreen monitor is user-friendly and fully automated. It includes alarms, trending graphics, controls, and flow totalizing, which can be integrated into your BACnet, LAN, or Modbus network. Additionally, ElectroCell offers remote proactive monitoring at its headquarters to observe the entire loop system's performance. Now that we've explained the 3-phase process, let's look at a typical result. This is a customer-provided video of debris that was collected from just one static mixer vessel after a 24-hour period. This is what ElectroCell has removed from the water flow, allowing the unique performance improvement in open-loop chillers and cooling towers. The ElectroCell system is the best proactive solution available for achieving maximum efficiency, lower resource usage, and a lower maintenance in your cooling tower and chiller operation. With its exceptional ROI profile, this is a great way to achieve your company's cost-down goals this year, and many more to come.